Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a project in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into the project that we want to delete. Just tap on it. And then here we are presented with the task list that is set for the project. Then in the top right corner we find 3 dots. We tap on those, and here at the bottom we find the delete project with the red letters. If we tap on that, the app is going to ask us if we are sure about deleting this project. Then we can just tap on delete again, and the project is going to be removed from our projects. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it's helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.